Jai Hind children. Now we are going to start a new chapter, that is nutrition in animals and humans. In the previous chapter you have studied about the food making process in plants. How do plants obtain their food? Green plants, they obtain their food by the process of photosynthesis, but the other mode of nutrition you have also studied in plants, that is heterotrophic nutrition. Now in this chapter you will study especially in animals. So you have watched a video before this presentation that the different modes of procuring food by different animals. You have seen that each animal has some special structure on its body to procure food, and in the previous video you have seen that how amoeba, paramecium or a frog, butterfly, hydra or spider, how do they procure food from their surroundings. Now this slide is showing the modes of procuring food by different animal, and children, in your book on page number 15 activity 1 is given because you have watched video, and this slide it helps you to fulfill the activity 1 given on page number 15. So with the help of this you can complete your activity. So in the previous one we have seen the small animals, how do they obtain their food. Now we are coming to the human beings. Now we will study about us. How is food entered in our body, how it is just broken into simpler form, and how it is utilized, and how is waste released out of the body. Now here it is given that nutrition in human beings. So first is the definition, that what is nutrition. So various aspects of obtaining food, mode of intake of food and its utilization in the body for growth and development is known as nutrition. Now in the process of nutrition you see this nutrition is just it contains 5 steps. First is ingestion, then digestion, then absorption, then assimilation, and then egestion. Now children, you know that when you keep food, how do you eat food? First you keep inside your mouth, so that is the first step, ingestion. Then with the help of the tongue you roll the food, and then just you break down the food into smaller pieces, and then the food is changed into simpler form by the action of certain enzymes, and that comes in the process of digestion. Then when the nutrients, the simpler forms are formed, then it is absorbed in the body. That process is known as absorption. We will study in detail about all these steps in different organs one by one, but here this is the summary of the process nutrition. Assimilation is the next step, where the digested nutrients, the absorbed nutrients, they are utilized in our body and they are sent to different parts of our body, to different cells by the blood. And lastly the egestion, the process through which undigested food is thrown out of the body. So all these steps they are given on page number 15 in your book, that is the process of nutrition, the different steps involved in nutrition. Now the next below diagram, it is showing the digestive system, the human digestive system, a brief about the human digestive system, the organs involved, the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. So here you can see the organs which are just showing in the picture also, in the diagram also, and then start from the mouth and ends with the anus. So this complete tube which is open from the mouth and ends with the anus, this is known as alimentary canal. And accessory organs also help in digestion, such as liver and pancreas. So some digestive glands, they are also associated with the digestion of food. So salivary glands, they are placed in the mouth, and here you can see the position of liver and pancreas. So these three digestive glands are also associated with the alimentary canal, and collectively we call it as a digestive system. Now, before starting with the nutrition in human beings, it is very important to know about the teeth and their care. So children, you know that we have two sets of teeth, milk teeth and permanent teeth. Here the differences are given. First set of teeth that grow during infancy means by the age of 2 years, and permanent teeth, milk teeth are replaced by a second set of teeth called permanent teeth. So they are never replaced. So in our mouth, the permanent teeth, some of you have the permanent teeth, some of you have such, I can say that 1 or 2 milk teeth also. They are different types of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. You can see the different shape. This white part, it is above the gum, and these are the roots of different types of teeth. Now these different types of teeth, what is the position of this, what are the position of these teeth in our mouth? So the front teeth, they are incisor, either side of incisor they are canine, then premolar and lastly molar. Description means what about the shape? Chisel shape, then canine slightly more pointed, then 2-point cusp, 1 or 2 roots. In the previous slide you can see the 2 roots, these are the 2 roots, and here you can see the 3 roots are there. And then the function, biting off pieces of food. Then canine, they are just well developed, you know, that is in carnivorous animals, tearing the food, flesh of animals. And then premolar and molar, they are just for the chewing and grinding food. Now this is the structure, the diagram of our jaw. So arrangement of different types of teeth in human beings. So you can see the different types of teeth, and where are they placed? They are known as socket of jaw. So if we see the half of a jaw, so first 2 are incisor, then 1 canine, then 2 are premolar, and then 3 are molars. So like that, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 and 8, 16. So in a jaw, 16 teeth they are found, and in both the jaws the 32 teeth are found. So now children, you have studied about the different types of teeth, and you got a brief idea about the digestive system in human beings. Now just I am giving you one work, the activity 2, which are given on page number 17. This is your homework. You do this activity 2 on the basis of the information given in this video. Complete this activity 2 in your book. Stay safe, happy learning, and thank you.